If you're thinking about becoming a police officer in South Carolina, here's how the process works from start to finish. First, there are some basic requirements. You must be a US citizen, at least 21 years old, and have a high school diploma or equivalent. You'll need a steady work history and a valid South Carolina driver's license, or be able to get one. Your driving record needs to be clean of serious violations in the last 5 years, like DUIs or leaving the scene of an accident. You can't have a felony conviction, criminal domestic violence, certain serious misdemeanors, or crimes involving moral turpitude. Good credit history is important, and if you've served in the military, you'll need an honorable discharge. The hiring process includes a background check, drug screening, vision and hearing tests, psychological evaluation, polygraph, stress test, and pulmonary function test. Passing these shows you're fit for the job. Once hired, you'll start as a police officer in training and attend the South Carolina Criminal Justice Academy in Columbia. The standard program is 12 weeks, but if you're already certified in another state or have military police experience, you might qualify for a shorter 6-week legal course or even a challenge test. After the academy, you'll enter field training, which usually lasts 600 hours. This hands-on period can be shortened if you have relevant experience. Your probationary period is typically 1 year, giving you time to adapt fully to the role. That's the path to wearing the badge in South Carolina, from meeting the qualifications to completing training and probation.